Today, we're learning the viral dance from Zootopia 2. But before we get into it, I want to say thank you to this person right here for sending me over a super thanks in my last video. Now, I'm going to break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. I'm going to mirror this video. My right is your right, and my left is your left. I did reference the music video, but also the video on TikTok, so I'm going to show you all the details as much as possible, okay? Section 1 starts like this. So, you're stepping back on the right leg. Just get the steps first. You're just going to step leaning to your right, right, left, right, left. Now the way that Shakira does it, she has her hands in front of her and she uses her hips. So when she steps on that right leg, she makes her hips go around, prepping from the left. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. It almost feels like an animal's tail wagging, yeah? 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's one way to do it. Another way I saw her male dancers do is instead of using the hips, they will use their hands to go cross, out, cross, out. Same step, but they're changing the dynamics, okay? But we're gonna do Shakira's way. So he said 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, I'm gonna take my hands, they're gonna go cross, open, cross, open. As I do that, I'm going to take my right leg to come up to swing me to the back. Then as I open, sway to my right. Then I cross, lift up my left, and then I swing my hands open and step with the left. But as I step with that left, it's going to help me turn my body as well. Okay, what did we just do? From the step back, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. We go up with the right leg. 5, open, 6. Up, 7, open, 8. Okay? Now, when I say to swing across with that 8, it's going to help us get into the next section. Let's do section 1 more time before we move on. Okay? Here we go. Straight through. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back it up. 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, moving on to section 2. When we come around on this, we're going to hit this trending dance from TikTok. You've probably seen it before. Right hand behind left. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to your right double, then single, center. All right? And that's just a little bounce there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Shakira, she opens up on the 5 like this. 5. A little hop, yes? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? But the male dancers, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They do a roll. But we're doing Shakira's way, okay? Just giving you the option so you can choose. So we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you take your right leg and your hip. You're gonna go 6, 7. Yeah? Zoo, ooh. Then the hip's gonna be on 8. And then you're gonna roll up and drop down on the 1. Yes? Again. So that's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit 6, hit 7, hip 8, and 1. Now when I'm rolling from the hip, I push it on the 8, my hips pelvic thrust on the 8, and then I roll up, and then I come down on the 1. Yes, yes, yes? Again, so we said, start of section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, hop 5, hip 6, hip 7, hip 8, and 1. Let's stop there. Let's connect section 1 and section 2 together. Nice and slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, slow. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we lift the leg up. Cross 5, open 6, cross 7, open 8. Come around. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5. We hit 6, 7, 8, and 1. Nice, all right? Repeat that as many times as you need, but I feel like you're doing a good job, all right? Let's move on to section number 3. This section is going to be a little longer, okay? So, from here, we landed on our 1. We're going to open up our body just like this. It almost feels like a bird, yes? You're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5. And the motion here is like you're opening up and you want to accent out, 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 out. So don't accent in, accent out. And the legs and the hands are going like together at the same time. So I'm opening up on that 2. I'm going 2, 3, 4, 5. And it feels like my body opens up to the right side and then opens up to the left. Yeah, so open up your chest again. So we finish here. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Open 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from here, this is a move from Ghana, which is so cool that they put this in there. You're gonna go touch your hand, shoulder, shoulder, elbow. Hand, shoulder, shoulder, elbow. And you're doing that twice. That's gonna be 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, Shakira, she leaves her legs still. She doesn't move them. She just follows into that pattern. Hand, shoulder, shoulder, hit. Hand, shoulder, shoulder, hit. Yes? The male dancers, every time you touch a body part, your knees open up. So you can go like this. Open, 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 ha. Open, 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 ha. But we're doing, I know you said it Shakira's way, okay? So we're gonna leave our legs. Let's do that one more time. So we finish from here, we land on our 1. We go 2, 3, 4, 5, touch 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Then from here to finish off the count, you're gonna take your right hip to go 6, 7, 8. And this left hand is just flexing in front of you just by your chin. 6, 7, 8, and. Yes? 6, 7, 8, and. That end count is just the prep to get you into the last section. But let's review section 3 one more time. So we landed here after 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Nice. Let's connect section 1, 2, and 3 all together, nice and slow. All right, here we go. 5, 6, section 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8, section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, land 5, hit 6, 7, 8, and 1, section 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Nice. Okay, now you're gonna go to section 4. All right, section 4. This is tricky at first if you've never done this move before, but I promise you're gonna get it. So we're gonna focus on the hands first, okay? So the hands, the timing I see Shakira do to her dancers is a little different, but it's the same concept, okay? So her dancers, we're going single up top. So the females are hitting more on the side and the males are hitting more in the front. You're going single, single, triple tap, single, single, triple tap, single, single, triple tap. Get that pattern in your head first, okay? So we said up top first, single, single, ta ta, single, single, ta ta ta, single, single, ta ta ta. Now the counts on that hands are just 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna realize why I'm stopping at that third phrase in a second, okay? The feet now. The feet, if you ever seen people do this move before, you're gonna catch this a lot easier. But if you've never done that before, don't worry. I have a video on my page. You can go and learn that real quick if you need to. But I'm gonna show you the way they're doing it, okay? This is more like the Afro style. So you're gonna take your left leg first, and you're gonna think of pushing down on the ball of your foot. Yes? As you do that, you bring your right leg up, your left leg up, and then your right heel is gonna go out, okay? So I'm gonna bring my left leg up, put all the weight on the right heel, and as I step down, boom, I'm doing this onto my heel. So it's like a pivot, So you're gonna feel that weight. Try that with me. Lift that left leg, put that weight on the heel, and drop it. Boom. Good. Now you're gonna do the same thing, but now you're gonna pick up the right leg, drop your left foot to its heel, and now drop the right foot on the ball of your foot and make that heel go out. Yes, yes, yes. One more time. So we pick up the left leg first. 1, and then we go to the other side. 2, and yes, yes, yes. If you lost your balance there a little bit, it's kind of weird slow, but that's the mechanics of it. So we said, and 1, and 2. Let's do that a few times before we double it up, okay? So we go left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg, okay? Now the rhythm that we're gonna do here when we double it up is gonna go like this. 1, 2. To double up, you just do the same thing but twice. 3, 4. The trick here, if you see me move to the side a little bit, which the dancers do, you want to make sure when you hit that 1, when you're prepping for that second one, you kind of go onto the ball of your foot of this one that's on the heel, and you pick it up and move yourself over, and then repeat the step. So it feels like this. Step, step, shift, and step. Step, step, I go up, step, and I'm shifting, step. Okay, it looks like this, the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Again, just the feet. We said 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's remember the hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes? So the doubles are on those triple taps. So look at how I'm going to do it here. I'm going to go single, single, triple tap. Single, single, triple tap. Single, single, triple tap. Single, single, triple tap. Just to get that flow, okay? Here we go. 5, 6. This is section 4. 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just to get that flow, okay? The last 6, 7, 8 in section 4 is a freestyle. So the full count goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last time. 2, 3, and 4. Go 5. Freestyle anything you want. Okay? That will bring us to the end of the dance. Now, we're going to go through everything from section 1 all the way to section 4, nice and slow to make sure you got it. All right? Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything you want at the end, okay? We're gonna try it straight through, but now the beginning has this fun intro that they do. They kind of move themselves to the side on 5, 6, and then DJ 7, 8. Yes? So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your left hand, step with your left leg, wipe open 5, 6, and act like you're holding headphones and scratching your record. 7, 8. And then we're gonna go into the step. Okay? Let's put it together. Ready? Nice and slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 1, 2, 3, 4. Open up. 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 2, 3, 4. Out 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, go 5, 6, and 7, and 8, go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! All right, now you have the dance. It's time to try it with the music. So click right over here to try with the music, or YouTube thinks you might want this video next. All right? Hope you guys have a good one, and peace out till next time. Hey! Hoppa, 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 hoppa.